Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of premium car care with a product that's been making waves in the detailing community. It's the Chemical Guys SPI21616 Leather Quick Detailer. If you're looking to keep your leather interiors, furniture, and even apparel in top-notch condition, this might just be the best leather conditioner Chemical Guys has to offer. Let's find out why. Now, what sets this product apart? First off, it's designed to maintain that original, crisp appearance of leather without leaving a greasy shine. That's a big win for anyone who loves that natural leather look without the slick feel. Application is a breeze. Just spray the Leather Quick Detailer directly onto the surface or onto a microfiber towel, and gently wipe. It lifts away dirt, dust, and oils, restoring a supple feel to your leather goods. Plus, its dry-to-the-touch formula means no waiting around for it to soak in. What I really appreciate about this product is its versatility. It's not just for car interiors. It works wonders on furniture, shoes, jackets, you name it. If it's leather, this detailer can breathe new life into it. And let's talk ingredients. With vitamin E and aloe infused into the formula, it not only cleans but also nourishes the leather, keeping it soft and preventing premature aging. From a practical standpoint, a little goes a long way with this product. It's designed with efficiency in mind, so a single bottle lasts through multiple applications, making it a great value for your money. Wrapping it up, if you're serious about maintaining the beauty and longevity of your leather investments, the Chemical Guys Leather Quick Detailer deserves a spot in your detailing kit. It's easy to use, effective, and leaves your leather feeling fresh and looking fantastic. That's all for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews and tips. Until next time, keep those leather goods looking sharp.